just added up the total of my makeup routine and I genuinely wish I hadn't. Safe to say, I have expensive taste. Let's do my makeup routine together and see how much this truly costs. I always start off with some sort of lip balm, but by the time I'm done with my makeup, my lips are very hydrated. This is the Tatcha lip balm. Rose Glazing Milk. This is a staple in my everyday routine. It's probably one of my favorite moisturizers underneath makeup. It looks so good. This is my favorite SPF right now. This is from Tatcha. This is the Milky Sunscreen. Consistency of this is pretty much the Rose Glazing Milk and SPF. I'm literally obsessed with it. These two together is chef's kiss. I mean, look at the skin. I've been loving the Refy Skin Tint. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was not sure about this one, but then I started applying it with my hands and I'm literally in love with it. The Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer. I just have not found anything that I love better than this. This is so good. This gives such a beautiful natural finish. It's the perfect amount of coverage for everyday makeup. I will repurchase this over and over again. I'm a blush fiend, so I literally rotate different blushes every single day depending on the mood that I'm in, but today I'm gonna start with Rhode Piggy. I pretty much always do two. This is like a baby soft pink. I love the Rhode blushes. I think they're amazing. Rare Beauty blushes are also a staple in this house. This is shade Adore. It's also a pink shade. These two are really beautiful together. Multiple different blushes in a makeup routine completely necessary? No. Will I still do it every day? Yes. Power 28 concealer. I'm obsessed with this concealer right now. It's a very liquidy thin consistency. Perfect for every day. I think it's worth every penny. This concealer is so beautiful when you use your hand to blend it out. Look at that. I use two different powders for the face. This Huda Beauty Cherry Peach one I use for the under eyes because it's a little bit more of like a brightening shade. And it's a loose powder. I prefer these for concealer in the under eye. And I use a pressed powder for the rest of the face. This is Charlotte Tilbury. If you've been here for a while, then you know that this is my favorite. Now going with my setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. Quick little blush hack for you guys. Go back in with your cream and just revive the skin on top of all the powder. This will also have your blush lasting you all day long. For some glow, another Rare Beauty product. This is shade Transcend. Honestly, Rare Beauty just does cream products so well. Love their blush, highlight, contour. They're just so skin-like. Of course, we have brows. This is the Anastasia Brow Definer. I really have stopped using brow gel lately and I just stick with a pencil. I love using the Hoola Bronzer as my eyeshadow instead of like a legitimate eyeshadow palette. I feel like this looks the most natural. It's funny though because I don't use this on the actual face. I only use this for the eyes. I'm adding just like a little baby brown wing. This is the Milani liquid eyeliner. It's like the tiniest wing. No matter what, I always come back to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. This is literally my favorite mascara. It's so amazing, it never fails me. I love the Rhode lip liners. These make my lips look like I just got them done. This is shade Lean. These Makeup by Mario glosses are so amazing. This is shade Rose Water. This lip combo is so gorgeous. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I'm honestly scared to know the total, but this look just never fails. Let me know what you guys think, and I want to know, how much is your makeup routine?